It's really important to be upfront about what you're actually giving people and to be honest about that with these videos. As a company, how do you maintain that transparency?
The big risk you run in humanoids is that as you push to get them out into the market, you have to be careful that you don't end up with a complicated special purpose robot.
You have to change your thinking and mentality and come up with a plan of how to deploy these robots safely.
Now we actually have to do the work.
It's not even human capabilities. Like, if you think robots from movies, all of them are stronger than humans. So we naturally think that a robot that looks like a human is stronger than a human. We don't realize that it's like 60% the strength of a human.
I do think it's fair to say that it's early. I think of this as sort of the beginning of the next chapter.
We thought it was really critical to bring all the players together and users who are interested in where this technology is headed.